Spring is finally here and it's time to do spring cleaning. And one of the chores I hate the most is actually having to clean my windows. I have lots of windows around my house, some on the main floor and some on the second floor. I have to use ladders to do this every year and it can be very time consuming. So when I saw this product from Ecovacs, it got me really excited because this could actually save me a lot of effort and a lot of time if it does what it's supposed to do. This product uses a very simple concept. You take it, place it on your window, hit the start button, and it kind of runs around and cleans the window for you. Now, if that sounds exciting, stay tuned so we can dive right into this product. Hey guys, I'm Ty and this is tytalkstech. In this channel, we talk about everything smart home related. Home tech, smart home tech, Wi-Fi, home networking, essentially any tech you consider putting in your home. We'll talk about it right here. And I'll help you decide if the tech is worth keeping in your home or not. Let's dive right into it. Ecovacs has sent me their robotic window cleaner. Now this is called the WINBOT W2S OMNI. And the WINBOT product line is one of several Ecovacs' smart product lines. Now this one is focused specifically on the window cleaning and they are the number one. They actually have the largest share in this market segment. So I have very high expectations. Spring cleaning, window cleaning is something that takes a lot of effort. So I'm super excited to actually give this one a try. Let's get right into what's inside the box. As usual, you have the product manual as well, styrofoam, and we have the unit itself. And the first thing we immediately notice is that this thing actually is like an all-in-one self-contained unit. Kind of looks like this suitcase style unit that kind of stores everything in there. Oh boy, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. There's a pad right underneath the unit, kind of helps with stability of the box itself. Once we open it up, we have the WINBOT itself. Then you have a cleaning solution right there. Everything all self-contained within this unit itself. We're at the very front, you have the 3 nozzle spray system. This is what actually dispenses the solution onto the screen. So you have the mopping pads right underneath it, which then wipes it off. To help with the movement of this unit across your window, it has this tank style threads that helps it navigate on the window. And then we have this vacuum seal here. This is what helps it keeps that pressure, the suction against that window, preventing this unit from actually falling off the window. And then on the very edge, we have what Ecovacs calls the true edge system. They've been using a lot of this across a lot of their products. I saw this on their robot vacuum as well. Kind of helps it navigate corners. So I guess they've implemented the same technology as well on the window cleaner. So this should help it navigate, those 90-degree corners along the windows. I don't know how this would fare with, other shapes of windows, but in my house, I have just all square windows. So that's all I'll be able to show with this guy. And at the very top, you have this leather strap handles. Kind of helps you carry the unit, place it against the window where you can actually now hit the power button to start it. And then there is this cable. Now this is what delivers power to the WINBOT itself, right? So even this guy, it's actually retractable as well. On the rear of the unit, there is an additional storage compartment. In there, you'll find an additional microfiber cloth, a charging cord for the unit, and a safety cable. This unit doesn't just only act as the storage unit for the solutions like the WINBOT itself, it also acts as the power station. So this thing actually has battery inside of it as well, so you can charge it. That way you can be able to carry this thing and use it without having to plug it into an outlet. So this actually makes it flexible to be able to use it across different scenarios. Now this unit is low right now. The total run time is about 110 minutes. I actually used it to wipe this window both inside and out about 6 or 7 times in that deep cleaning mode before it eventually got into this state. And what it eventually did was basically return back to the starting point and then retracted the cable, and then it's been alerting and beeping that the battery is low. And I believe it's going to do this for the next 30 minutes and just keep hanging in there. And after the 30 minutes, I think it's just going to fall. So be careful of that.
Battery too low. Connect to a power source and charge until the power indicator turns blue before use. Thank you for choosing the Ecovacs robot. Before you start, please make sure to attach the wiping pad.
So once we hit the power button, the unit comes straight to life, and then there is the automatic retracting cable. Now that only works when the unit is powered up. If it's powered off, it doesn't work. So there's a button on top of this unit that allows you to switch between different modes. I believe there are about 7 different modes on this guy. So we can
switch to deep cleaning, switch to fast cleaning, switch to edge cleaning, switch to thorough cleaning.
So it looks like it went through 4 different modes on this guy. Now when you go ahead and you connect the WINBOT to the Ecovacs app, you can do that by scanning the QR code that's right underneath the unit. I tried to use the one on the main base station itself, but it didn't work until I actually used just this one, and then it worked. It actually does that connection using Bluetooth. You can download the app from either both the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Now when you connect it to the app, it unlocks a couple other modes like the heavy duty cleaning mode, as well as gives you the ability to remotely control the unit itself. So it can allow you to do things like do spot cleaning, control the spray as well, or kind of, if you have a particular spot you want to get to. With the heavy duty clean mode, it's essentially ideal for areas with high construction areas where there's a lot of dust and debris, or there's a lot of high wind, which in my case, it's my area. There's a lot of construction going on. There's a lot of open field. We get a severe wind gust, and the window has not been cleaned in over a year. Now that is when you're going to use the heavy clean mode. It essentially cleans the window in a couple of passes, but the difference is it stops, allows you to take off the microfiber cloth, wash it or replace it, and then put it back where it stopped. And it does the same thing again, stops again, then you go take it and replace it, and then it kind of just keeps doing that until eventually it finishes cleaning that heavy kicked on grime. We're going to pour the solution right into the WINBOT itself, but it looks like you can only use this solution with the WINBOT, at least according to Ecovacs' documentation. So I'm not sure if you can use any other product in here. I'm curious to see how long this unit will last or how many windows it can clean. It uses not quite 50% yet, so not a lot actually to get it full. All right, let's go.
Please clean the wiping pad and the 4 corners of WINBOT.
And it's not just for exterior windows. Once it's in the house, you start finding excuses to use it. Sliding doors, mirrors, shower glasses. It just turns into this one tool you pull out whenever the glass starts to look hazy. If you've ever priced out professional window cleaning, you already know it's not cheap. In a lot of cases, one full clean can cost about the same as owning something like this. If you have big windows and you don't want to clean them yourself, this is honestly one of the easiest solutions I've tried. And if it means I'll clean my windows more than once a year, that alone might be worth it. And for anyone wondering on price, Amazon US lists this for $599.99. I'll drop links in the description. Let me know, would you trust a window robot in your place? Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me on this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Ty, peace out.